You've been told to save money, work hard, stay out of debt, be responsible. Meanwhile, the rich? They're out here borrowing millions, buying assets, and somehow getting richer while you're over here debating if you should buy extra gack. If that feels like a rigged game, that's because it is. So why does it work for them and not for you? Let's talk about it. Since childhood, you've heard it over and over. Debt is bad. Avoid it at all costs. A fat savings account means financial security. If you just work hard and stay frugal, you'll be rich one day. Yeah, and drinking a gallon of water a day is supposed to clear your skin. But here you are, still breaking out like it's high school. Because while you're stuffing cash into a savings account earning less than 1% interest, the price of everything is going up. The rich, they don't let their money sit around collecting dust like an old trophy. They put it to work, even if it's not theirs to begin with. Here's the difference between the average person and the rich. The average person saves so they can spend. The rich borrow so they can invest. Big difference. When the rich take out loans, they're not financing a new iPhone. They're buying rental properties, businesses, stocks, things that pay them back. Meanwhile, the average person takes on debt to buy things that lose value. A new car that drops 20% the second you drive it off the lot. A house they can barely afford, thinking it's an investment. That $3,000 couch that's now a fancy bed for your dog. One side takes on debt to build wealth. The other takes on debt to look wealthy. Here's the harsh truth. Banks don't reward savers. They use your money to make themselves richer. Inflation eats away at your savings every year. If your money isn't working, it's shrinking. Ever notice how banks tell you to save, but they aggressively lend out money? That's because they know the real game. They take your savings, lend it out at higher interest rates, and pocket the difference. Meanwhile, you're out here feeling accomplished because your high-yield savings account just earned you enough interest to maybe buy a small coffee. That's like going to the gym once and expecting a six-pack. You're technically doing something, but it's not getting you anywhere. So if saving isn't the answer, what is? Stop thinking debt is evil. Use it strategically. Borrow to buy assets, not liabilities. If you're taking on debt, it should be making you money. Put your money to work. Your cash should be in investments, not sitting in a savings account, dying a slow death. Shift from a save mentality to a multiply mentality. The goal isn't to hoard money, it's to make more of it. Money is a tool. You can use it to build, or you can sit on it and watch it lose value. Your choice. But if you pick the wrong one, don't be surprised when you're still debating that extra gawk while the rich are out here owning the whole damn avocado farm.